Yo, MakenDev, or Maken for short here, and welcome to my first devlog for my game, Knowledge Simulator. Here I'm going to show you the process behind my first get-rich-quick scheme. So, it all started when I decided to look at my wallet. Yeah, I'm broke. So I thought, hey, kids love stealing their mom's credit card and spending it on Roblox, so let's make a Roblox game. So I would open up Roblox and I look for the most popular genre, simulators. It's the perfect genre, completely brain dead, kids love it, and parents' checking accounts go. So here we go. Let's open up Roblox Studio, get an experience going, and so basically we have you, a big dummy.
How do we get big brain, Mackin?
Well there, little Jimmy, you're gonna have to do a little something called reading.
Ew, reading? This game is boring, I'm gone.
True, reading is boring, so let's get some fun stuff in here, like pets.
Why pets?
Well, Jimmy, in every simulator on Roblox, there's pets, so I'm gonna add them.
But Mackin, you can't add pets. They don't fit into your game.
How about I do anyway?
So yeah, basically you're gonna read books, get smarter, and progress throughout the game using said books. It's pretty basic, but I don't want to get stuck in a little problem called scope creep. So the first thing I did was create a reading system. You know, just threw around a bit of code here and there, and now we can read books. As you can see, we can read the book, pause it, continue. We get some nice pages, and knowledge! With the pages, we'll be able to purchase pets through some type of egg or crate system. I was thinking that perhaps you could equip items onto your pets, which could increase your stats. I might also add a special currency that allows you to buy more prestigious items or pets. If you have any ideas, please feel free to comment about them, and I'll definitely see it. You see though, now we have a problem. Our game is looking a little, well, ugly. So let me call up my buddy and see if he can get me some models going. Yer.
Yo,
So, where are those models I was asking you about earlier?
yeah, don't worry about it. They're on the way.
Didn't you say that like a week ago?
Nah, I think you're just imagining things, bro.
But like, I need it for the video, bro. Like right now.
So speaking about your video, when am I getting paid for this?
But that was not in the contract. So, clearly things didn't go to plan. I guess I'll have to set up a little scene myself with my abysmal modeling skills. So let's just put a couple of things together here and there, and boom. Now we have a little scene. I'm thinking later we can get a cool tree where the players to slowly climb up the tree and unlock different parts of the tree by increasing their knowledge. As they climb up the tree, the books they read get harder, the player gets better rewards, they can explore the different floors of the tree to get hidden items, and they can unlock better pets. You know, a basic simulator game. I'll also be adding an achievements tab, some titles to show how superior you are to other players, and a leaderboard to flex on the small brain noobs. By the way, I did make some UI here and there, but they look garbage, so I'm gonna fix that later. Anyway, that's all for this week's devlog. I'm thinking about posting every 1 to 2 weeks, but in order to stay updated, make sure to subscribe to the channel and set post notifications on. Also, follow my Twitter at MakenDev to stay even more updated on my progress. This is Maken, signing off. Bye!